Hello friends, my name is Ramsu. Today we shall discuss about topic the difference between procedure and function. Friend, whenever we are using working in computer programming, so we have to deal either with procedure and function. Basically friend, procedure, if we talk about procedure, is a set of instruction that perform any specific task or action, and it is used to execute a series of statement, and it doesn't return any value. That is why it is called as a procedure. If we talk about function is also a set of instruction in computer programming, and basically after execution of instruction it will return some value. It typically used when we want to perform any computation, transformation or input data and produce an output result. So here friend, remember one thing, that procedure does not return any value, okay, and it execute a sequence of statements and actions and may modify any state of variables or objects with their scope, and the function is basically returning any value, okay, and it basically it can be of any data type such as integer, string, arrays or custom object. Here remember friend one thing, that if we talk about usage, procedures are often used to tasks that involve sequence of actions or operations, such as for example printing a message, updating a database, performing input output operations. So all these are the example of the procedure. Functions are also used for any computations and transformation, for example calculating the square root of a number, calculating addition of two numbers, formatting a string, sorting an array. All these are the example of function. If we talk about invocation or calling the procedure or function in a code, procedures are invoked using a simple call statement or command. However, the functions are invoked by calling their names and passing the input arguments. Once invoked, they execute their code and return a value that can be assigned to a variable or used in expressions. For example, if we take just an example here, this is an example of a procedure. Here see, greet is a procedure and it will print hello world. So how we will call it? We will call greet open bracket and then this is the close bracket. So this is the way to call a procedure. If we talk about function, here function add x comma y, it takes two input and return x plus y. So this function add is basically taking two input variables x and y, and after addition it will return the value. Here remember one thing, that procedure is not returning any value and the function is returning the value. This is a very basic difference between procedure and a function. So here when we call the function return is equal to add 3 comma 5, okay, and print result. So we will call the function add, this is the function with the two variable 3 comma 5, okay. So it will add the number 3 and 5, that means 3 plus 5 8. So it will print the result 8 here, okay. So friend, I hope that you like this video. This is a very basic concepts about the procedure and function. Thank you.